Our Slitter rewinder machine adopt hydraulic control system for unwinder stand. Because this system, our machine unwinder stand can easily pick up 1.5 tons and more than 1.5 meters diameter jumbo roll from the flour.
But what maintenance and precautions do hydraulic stations need to carry out
During our daily use, I have summarized 3 points, the last of which is the most important. First, when our machine is powered on for the first time after installation,
we must check the running direction of the fan in the hydraulic station. If the running direction of the fan is opposite to the calibrated direction on the motor,
then we have to replace any two of the power cable. If the direction of the motor is opposite to the calibrated direction for a long time, the oil seal in the hydraulic station will be broken and damaged.
2-3 months after the first installation and operation of the machine, the hydraulic power oil must be replaced.
The hydraulic power oil can use number 46 or number 68 lubricating oil as the hydraulic power oil.
From then on, we only need
to replace the hydraulic power oil once a year.
3. This is the point that we are most likely to overlook. In the process of using the slitting rewinder, we must regularly check the position of the oil level gauge of the hydraulic station. If the oil level is lower than the red line, it is necessary to add hydraulic power oil. If our hydraulic power oil is too little, the cylinder will not respond well. Using our hydraulic station with low oil volume for a long time will cause damage to the gears in the hydraulic station, which will lead to the paralysis of our entire system.